Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch, guys, on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts to use diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and if you need to see actually even how to test the oil pressure sensor switch, we'll talk about that too. In addition, guys, if you need to buy after that any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the oil pressure sensor, oil pressure switch, fuses, relays, come to show you where to find them. By the way, if you want to see how to test it, we'll have video on the channel how to test oil pressure sensor. Check it out. You'll be on our YouTube channel, step-by-step instructions. Now, we'll demonstrate on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, you have up to 2 different fuse boxes, depending on which year model Jeep Grand Cherokee you have of that generation. We'll explain about both. Let's open the hood, and facing the engine on the left side, that's the main engine fuse box. Open the cover. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for year 2014 to 2022, and this is 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And guys, here what we need to check: multiple fuses that are for engine management, most likely controlling that sensor. So we need to check all of them. We'll start with 2011 to 2013 year model. You need to check fuse number J11, J18, J13, right here, very important fuses. Then we need to check fuse M27, to check M28, right here. Next you need to check fuse number M33, which is the 10 amp fuse here, and M34, guys, will be this fuse right here. Check relay K1, K2, K4, K5. Now if you have 2014 to 2022, guys, here you will need to check fuse number 20F22, which will be this fuse right here, F22. Since you're already here, you need to check fuse number 63 and 64 right next to it. So these 3 fuses together will need to be checked. After that, you need to check fuse number 72, 77, 78. You also need to check, guys, fuse number 32, F32, fuse 51 right here. Relay after that, K6. You may have relay K8 right here, K12, 14 and 15. All these, guys, fuses, relays will need to be checked if you have problems with that sensor. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.